Welcome to a new diecast model car showcase video from Clever Diecast Cars. In today's video, I'm showing you some of my favorite 1/64th scale model cars. I'm driving the cars by hand through my DIY diorama. Enjoy the video and relax. Here we have a blue Volvo. A beautiful Swedish car. Why does it have the number 14 on it? This Volvo drives really well. Here we have an American muscle car from the 1960s. What a beautiful color, right? Do you know which brand this car is? Maybe a Chevrolet? Oh, that's a nice sports car. I really like the color, and the interior is beige. It matches very well with dark blue. And the wheels look so nice. Does anyone know the brand of this car? This is a real sports car with over 400 horsepower. The combination of black and red looks so sporty. This car is very fast. I think it's a Ford. Oh, another Ford. I love SUVs. But this SUV is really made for off-road driving. Do you see all the spots? It looks like this car has recently been off-road. And now it's time for a police car. I like black police cars. Do you know which country this car is from? I think it's the USA, right? Did you know that Hot Wheels has produced over 100 different police car models? Since the 1970s, they have released licensed replicas of real police vehicles, such as the Ford Crown Victoria, Dodge Charger Pursuit, and Chevrolet Caprice. In addition to realistic models, Hot Wheels also designs futuristic or customized police cars that don't exist in the real world, perfect for high-speed chases on Hot Wheels tracks. A beautiful white car. I think it's a Mazda. Nice gold-colored wheels. Did you know that Mazda is the only major car manufacturer to have successfully used rotary engines in production vehicles? The legendary Mazda RX-7 was a true icon, featuring a lightweight, compact, and high-revving rotary engine. Although this engine type is rarely used in cars today, Mazda plans to bring it back as a range extender for electric vehicles. A nice American muscle car. It's either a Camaro or a Pontiac. These white stripes on the sides make the car look very sporty. A light green Land Rover. This is my favorite car. I like this light green color. And now comes a beautiful Porsche. These yellow and pink stripes go very well with the dark blue. The rims are gold-colored. This is a very fast car. It's really fun to cruise with this beautiful Porsche in my 1/64th scale diorama. And another Swedish car. Today we had two Volvos. A very elegant green color. This is a beautiful die-cast model of a Volvo. I think every one of my viewers knows this amazing sports car. Right? I think I have a total of 3 of them. 2 in different colors, one of the fastest sports cars in my little miniature city. A Corvette from the 1976s. one of the most beautiful muscle cars ever built in the USA. This light green color with the yellow stripes. Great design. A classic vintage car. Does anyone know the brand? A beautifully elegant car. I wonder why this car has no hood. But the engine looks really cool. Definitely several hundred HP. Thank you for watching this diecast video until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like diecast car races and stop motion videos, you can find hundreds of them on my YouTube channel.